Google Illuminate. So I'm going to tell you what it is and what does it do today, okay, in a real quick manner. It's an experimental technology that uses AI to adapt content to your learning preferences. Basically focuses on more academic publications, okay? And currently it's only focused on computer science topics, but that doesn't stop you from basically looking at things like, in fact, here's the landing page, okay? This is what it'll look like when you go there, and you can see that it already has topics that it has illuminated. In fact, it has on the bottom row, you can see it's done many books, which are really interesting. All you have to do is click on it. You can see that there's a timer on there. Pride and Prejudice, it takes 5 minutes for them to explain it. So let's say that you want to go away from the exploring and you want to generate something. So how do you do that? Well, what you do is you'll click on that little tab on the upper left-hand corner that says Generate, and then you can see this line here in the green box. You type in your question, or you put your sources in there. And since I wanted to test its capabilities, I just asked a question, and then the red box is what it returned as far as sources. And I decided that, hey, I wanted to know what role AI has in elephant conservation. So I checked the box, okay? And the blue boxes here basically determine how are the voices going to be, how are they going to talk? Is it going to be like to a casual audience, a formal? Is it going to be guided, or is it going to be free-formed? And the right blue box explains how they will talk. And basically, Illuminate is all about creating podcasts. That's its main purpose, okay? It's much like Notebook LM, but it's boiled down. I put this on the formal, and you can see this is the title of the article. And on the right-hand side in the green box is the transcription of the actual podcast that they did, and it's 8 minutes worth of talking. There's a little, if you go down to the bottom, you see this pink box here, and this is what turns it on and off, just like any other video or WAV file. And you see a little hand here. If you click on that, you can stop the video or stop the podcast and ask a question, and it will immediately respond to you, which is really cool. So just giving you that brief overview, let me just tell you what the pros and cons are to help you go there and try it. Okay, so again, it creates a podcast style audio for 5 types of audience, or 4 types of audience. It transcribes it perfectly. You can ask questions during the podcast. It targets technical publications. It answers questions that are tailored to what you want to know. You can download the MP3 file for sharing or embedding. And here's really a key, it handles really large amounts of data. Although you can only add 4 sources at a time, and it's strictly a podcast product. And right now, the sources are limited to computer science. Supposedly, it'll be expanded in the future. And it has less capabilities than Notebook LM, which sometimes is a good thing. Less is more. I encourage you to go to Google Labs and give it a try. And I think it might fill a need for a quick learning experience, not only for yourself, but maybe for your community.